Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Da Nang. This is our afternoon drive time update, guys. Wow, it's a great time to be alive. We're seeing that, altcoins are going off. We're going to talk about Luna. Luna looks like, it's about to have two major upgrades, and we could see Luna absolutely on fire and going to the moon. It looks like also we could be seeing Ethereum ETF coming out this soon, guys. And we got the Valkyrie, ETF coming out on Friday. So that's really huge news, guys. And guys, don't forget to check out my merch. Don't forget to get the mug. It's full of love, full of joy. You guys want to get it? Get the mug, guys. What are you waiting for? Get the mug. And the coffee always tastes better. Let me do the taste test. Coffee does taste better. And the OG mug, guys. So, yeah, what are you guys waiting for? Get the mug, get the merch. And, we're in Da Nang right now, and things are looking up. And we're seeing the altcoins, the top 20 altcoins are kind of popping off right now. And we're seeing that, the Dogecoin is also looking pretty good too. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just OG in the house giving you some tips, tricks. This video is for educational purposes only and entertainment. And we're seeing that right now that Bitcoin is giving up a little bit of its profit from all-time highs yesterday. That's pretty normal. We're seeing that there is some profit taking right now going on. So I wouldn't worry too much about that. It's okay, guys. And don't panic. We're seeing that Dogecoin is, coiling up to, I believe, have a huge upside. I think we could be seeing 27 cents coming in, if not 30. And remember, we have huge resistance at between 33 and 32 cents for Dogecoin. We need to break past that. So we're seeing a lot of positive catalysts happening everywhere right now. And hopefully that when America wakes up, you guys can take it higher and higher. So we're going to talk about the possible Ethereum ETF. We're also got some billionaires, some huge billionaires who are talking about that they now see the light, and they now see that Bitcoin is a better hedge against inflation as compared to gold. So we're seeing a lot of billionaires are now aping into Bitcoin like never before. We're going to talk about that. Also, I still believe that we're seeing institutional FOMO happening right in front of our eyes as we speak. It's happening, and retail FOMO still hasn't happened, guys. Fear and greed index is up. It's up over 80%. It's almost at 84%. I think we could see that hit early 90s to 90 percentiles tomorrow if the market continues going up. We're seeing that the total market cap is also going up. Remember, this is not financial advice. And guys and gals, go right down there right now. Do it. Smash the likes. Subscribe, baby. Do it right now. Subscribe in the house. And speaking about subscribers, guys, we've got some new subscribers in the house. These are minty fresh subscribers. They just subscribed like right now, today. We got Leseco. We got, I can't pronounce that, but you know who you are. Welcome. We got Contra. We got Amit. We got Derek in the house. We got Joel. We got Felix. And we got Taozan in the house, guys. Welcome. Thank you for being part of this family. Thank you for being part of the channel. I do appreciate it. God bless each and every one of you. And remember, this channel is not only about crypto news, what's happening news. It's also about spreading the good vibe. God bless each and everyone. Let's jump into the content without any further delay. Yay. We're seeing that right now the top 10 mentions on Twitter in the last hour has been Algorand, it's been BTC, it's been Ethereum, Solana, SHIB, Doge, Luna, ADA, FEG, and XRP. So those are the top mentions on Twitter. So something's happening, and people are doing a lot of research on Algorand right now. So keep an eye on Algorand. That could be some kind of catalyst that's telling us that Algorand could be a skyrocket. Of course, Bitcoin is going to be in there. Ethereum, King Daddy of the altcoins. Solana, and also Terra Luna is also in there. Terra Luna is going to take off, guys. We're going to talk about why. It's got some major updates coming, and one of the updates was delayed from August, and now it looks like it's about to go live. And this is also one of the reasons why we're seeing that Luna is taking off right now. And also, one of these upgrades also includes a deflationary aspect to it, so that's going to help. It could be a token burn as well, and that's going to bring up the value as well, because if you're burning tokens, naturally the thing's going to go up, right? Less tokens, less supply, the price goes up, right? So let's jump into some news. We're seeing that bye China FUD. U.S. takes over Bitcoin mining. So we're seeing that since China kicked out the miners, a lot of them have fled to the U.S., Russia, and Kazakhstan. And in light of China banning crypto mining, other countries have grabbed the opportunity before the crackdown. The U.S. only accounted for 16.8% of the total hash rate. now the U.S. accounts for 35%. So, China's loss, U.S. gains, guys. And we see that the actual recovery of the hash rate, we've already recovered, and in fact the hash rate is hitting all-time highs again, so that's really good. This is also another reason why, it's also fueling the reason why Bitcoin is also going to the moon, guys. So we're also seeing that other countries are jumping in. We see the United States is not the only country that jumped in the opportunity. We're seeing that Kazakhstan, Russia. So, hey, if I'm pronouncing Kazakhstan really bad, I'm sorry, guys. So, Kazakhstan amounted for 8.2 and Russia 6.8 of the global hash rate. Now the number has risen to 18.1 for Kazakhstan and 11% for Russia. So both countries, along with the United States, are leading the charge in terms of hash rate recovery. And we can see that the total hash rate right now is getting better, and this is a Bitcoin price right now. So things are not looking too shabby in terms of the miners, and basically the China thing is out. And I think kicking out the miners from China was good, because it means that Bitcoin has become more decentralized right now, because more mining is done in different countries. So I think it's a good idea, and I think in the end of the day we all won. We all won. And we're a lot better off. So it also helps support the decentralized nature of Bitcoin. So why Grayscale CEO believes the SEC will greenlight Ethereum ETF, and I think this is coming. And one of the reasons we're seeing that, with Grayscale CEO Michael, he said that the SEC is now more inclined to approve Ethereum ETF. Why? Because we've already had our first ETF approval last week, which is the ProShares. So it means it's going to be easier for them to look at, easier for them to pass it, and it's just going to be easier. And and this has marked a long 8 years battle in the U.S. to get this ETF. So finally it happened. We also have another ETF coming on Friday, the Valkyrie ETF. So I think it's not going to be too long before we see an Ethereum ETF, and that's going to be really huge for Ethereum. And that's just going to bring more liquidity, more money into the market, guys, and that's good for everybody. So what's good for everybody is good for everybody too, right? Because more money coming in means more demand, more price action. So this is a catalyst. This is a catalyst we're waiting for. ETF, institutional investment into crypto. We've never seen this before. So that's why we're going to see the altcoins. They're going to become frothy. They're going to become foamy. And Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Absolutely, we're going to see Dogecoin come to the moon, and it's a great time. Absolutely a great time to be alive. You know it. I know it. So let's get it, guys. And don't forget to check out the merch. Get the mug. The mug. It's full of love. It's full of joy. It's full of happiness. And coffee tastes better. Coffee is absolutely better. In the OG mug, the mug. Get the mug, guys. It's selling like a hotcakes. Get the mug, guys. And remember, all the mugs, all the super chats, they all go to charity, guys. Support the channel. Support the channel with a super chat, guys. All going to charity. You know that. I know it. So let's get it, guys. We're seeing that the rainbow chart, we're still in is this a bubble? Are we in bubble mode? Yes, we are in a bubble mode. But once the retail FOMO starts to intensify, it's going to send prices higher and higher. And, millionaires are going to be made overnight, guys. It's time to get rich. And this is not financial advice. And we're seeing the fear and greed is still at 84. I think we could see ourselves going up to 86, 87 tomorrow. Remember, keep an eye on this. When the FOMO intensifies and we start to see the whales selling off, this is the time to start taking profit, guys. So remember, this is not financial advice, but remember, you always have to take profits. Take profits. Take profits. Don't leave stuff there too long and wait for the market to collapse, okay, guys? Because this bull run is not going to last forever. It never does. And we could see the tops around end of December, January for Bitcoin. And then we could see the altcoins start to pump sometime around there too, guys. So keep an eye on the dominance. If the dominance starts to suddenly start to go down, this is indicative of that the altcoin season is going to start and that the Bitcoin price can start to go down, guys. So normally the catalyst before the signal for that the altcoin season is here is we have Bitcoin dominance very high. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin. Everybody's focused. Everybody's aping into Bitcoin. And then what will happen is the Bitcoin dominance will drop. The Bitcoin price will drop. And then we'll significantly see that the altcoins will start to take off, guys. So just keep an eye on that. So right now we can see the market cap is pretty much unchanged from where it was about 3 hours ago. And on the weekly right now, we're seeing that the high of the market cap was 270. We saw a low for the market cap about 2.3. Right now we're sitting at 2.63. So it's not too bad. Not too bad, guys. And if we look at the Bitcoin on the weekly right now, we're at 64889. We're below our all-time highs. Remember, we had our all-time highs only a couple about 10 hours ago, and that was at 66889. So right now, as you guys can see, that we are. Where's my chart? Where's my bitty chart? There is my bitty chart. So you guys can see right now that we're at 6471. So we're coming down a little bit. We're down today around roughly about 1.52%. So it's okay. People are taking some profits. You know, we hit that all-time high yesterday on the Binance chart of 67,000. So it's pretty normal to take some profits, guys. And remember, you guys can see that on the daily, you know, it's very normal that, you know, Bitcoin, it goes up, it goes down, it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. And that's a typical pattern. But, you know, we're printing higher highs and higher lows. And that's really what we need to see. And I believe that, you know, we should see a new all-time high coming in soon for Bitcoin, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Let's take a look at Doge right now. So Doge is trading at 25.24. It's just kind of range bound. It's going sideways right now. And as I told you, we've got this huge descending triangle. We broke out of that, so that's fantastic. And Doge is gearing up for a huge explosion. I told you that we'd go up to 27. We'd come all the way back down again. And then we start challenging the 26 zone. So we really need to see, you know, Doge get up to 26. And then once we confirm break out to 26, then we're going to move up to 27, 30. And our biggest resistance is right here. But the bulls are in control right now. The bulls are in control. And I believe that the Dogecoin is going to start to make some moves very soon, guys. You got to keep an eye on that. Keep confident. Keep the faith. And keep the love, guys. Keep spreading the love. And don't forget to go down there. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes right now for the OG. Show some love in the house, guys. I'm working for you. And let's take a look at the SHIB in the house very briefly. But before we do, this is a Doge on the 3-hour chart, and it's looking pretty good. We're above the yellow line, which is our 21-day EMA, which is good. We saw this buying signal here. We're seeing a little bit of a sell signal here. We're seeing a little bit of resistance at 26.15 right now, just formed on 3-hour. We're above the 50-day. We're above the 200-day, guys. So things are looking okay on the 3-hour chart for Doge, and I think that Doge is just preparing to break out pretty soon. Let's take a look at the SHIB right now. Shiba Inu is also up about 3%, but it's still just going sideways. It's at 2.9 right now, and it's just going sideways basically in this channel, and it's up around about 3%. Doge is up also 3%, so not too bad, not too shabby. So I wouldn't worry about that. We're also seeing that. Right now, Luna looks like it's set to outperform, and it's set to go to the moon, guys. So you guys know that Luna, we have these two major updates. We have the Columbus 5 and the Wormhole V2 upgrades. Has gone live, and the interblock communication IBC protocol upgrade is set to roll out October 20th today. So we should have a total of 3 upgrades. We got the Columbus 5, we got the Wormhole, and we've got the IBC protocol, which is going live today. So this is also another reason that you know, we're seeing Luna go to the moon, and this is also designed to introduce a deflationary mechanism for Luna, guys. So this is this upgrade will improve Luna's interoperability capabilities with creating demand for its underlying asset, and it's going to be able to communicate across different blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain. So this is one of the reasons why we're seeing a lot of movement in Luna right now. And I believe that Luna is gearing up to go to the moon, guys. So this is really huge news for Luna. If you're holding Luna now, keep holding. This is not financial advice. And with these 3 main upgrades, guys, it's going to be Luna's going to take off. So just keep your eyes peeled, keep your eyes focused on Luna, and it's looking pretty good for Luna right now. Also, ARK Investment Kathy Wood has passed on buying into ProShares ETF, and one of the reasons she's saying that is that because of tax implications. So ARK holder, founder, CEO Kathy Wood did not invest in ProShares Bitcoin strategy or exchange traded funds on open day, according to Business Insider. And she says, no, we're looking at this very carefully. There are some tax implications that we need to understand. So it seems that ARK will have some tax implications if they buy the ETF. So they're kind of doing some studies and looking at that right now. So I wouldn't panic too much about that. And that's why we're seeing that there's a little bit of lackluster interest in the ProShares ETF from Kathy Wood. I think they're just doing some due diligence. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Don't forget to smash the likes. So that's what we're seeing right now. Also, too, big billionaire Paul Tudor Jones now prefers crypto over gold, and he's saying that crypto is a better inflationary hedge as compared to gold. So he's becoming a Bitcoin maxi right now. So this is really good news, guys. This is the catalyst that we need. These kind of catalysts are going to help propel Dogecoin, help propel Bitcoin and other cryptos into the stratosphere, guys. So this is really bullish news. And then one final piece of news right now, we can see that TA corrects high from first time. So we can see that there's still an opportunity to buy the dips. We could see that Bitcoin could go down to $63,000 shortly. And you remember, do not panic if we see Bitcoin going down to $63. This is a good $63,000 is a good time to buy the dip. I'm going to be definitely buying the dip. Once I see Bitcoin going down to 63,000, and it could retest that, and Bitcoin could definitely be seeing $63,000 again, which would put us around about this area here. I think we could see ourselves going as low as 63,000 around about this area, so we could wick all the way down here. And it could take us all the way from where we are now and wick all the way down to 63,000, and then from there we'll get a huge bounce up to the upside, and I believe that could take us all the way up to 70,000 ish. So I wouldn't panic too much about that. It's everything is looking okay, guys. So everything's looking pretty good. So last story: Bitcoin futures ETF hits 1 billion. You guys know that it breaks a record, and this is really bullish news. That you just see there's a lot of sentiment in there. Since the ProShares Bitcoin strategy ETF started trading this week, it has become the fastest fund ever to reach 1 billion of assets under management. And the last time this happened was like 2004, when we had the GLD, which took 3 days to hit 1 billion. This took 24 hours. So this just goes to show you that there are huge interest in Bitcoin, in crypto space, and this is just another indicator, another milestone that says crypto is here to stay. It's the financial future. It's your financial future, and this is a revolution, and it's happening right before our eyes. We're making history, boys and girls, so you gotta love it. Smash the likes of OG. Tell the OG that you love them, and let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. So Ethereum right now, it's at 4,173. It has gone past my $4,000 resistance, so that's fantastic. Our next level that we're looking at is an all-time high, and the all-time high is at 4,390. I think we're definitely going to be getting there sooner than later. So keep your eyes on the market. Hopefully that when we pass it over to the people in Europe and America, you guys can take it higher and higher. So it's a great time to be alive. Everybody's portfolio should be looking very good. If you had follow the OG portfolio on July 2nd, you guys will be seeing massive returns. Remember, this is not financial advice, it's only educational purposes, entertainment. You'll be seeing massive returns of 90%. So hopefully most of the subscriber channel members, you guys should be in huge profit now. Your portfolio should be looking peachy keen right now. So that's a good time to be alive. Let's take a look at ADA in the house. ADA is looking pretty good. It's at $2.22, and it's up on the daily chart right now. It's up about 1.6%. So it's okay. We're going range bound. Let's hopefully we can blast past this $2.35. ADA needs to blast past that if we're going to have any chance of going up to the next level, which is about $2.60. So ADA often does that. It'll have a huge correction, consolidation, and then some catalyst comes, then boom, ADA will be going to the moon. Solana is also looking pretty good. It's at $182 right now, and it's above the $181 support level. So hopefully we can keep going. We don't break down. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks down too much, we could be seeing ADA go back down below the 181 support level. So, but right now, the Solana go down below the 181 support. Get your words, right? So far everything's looking pretty peachy keen, guys. I wouldn't panic too much. Everything's looking pretty good. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. And remember, Elon Musk had this tweet out earlier, and it's about 69,420. Elon Musk is kind of fixated on these numbers, right? So he loves these numbers. and I wouldn't pay much attention to it. You know, Elon's being Elon, and he's always like to have these hidden messages and everything, so it's okay. So guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys, and go back and watch this video, doing only good every day. Support the channel with a super chat. Do it now. It all goes to the kids, it all goes to charity. You guys are gonna love it. And don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes, and follow the OG on Twitter. Do it now, guys. Subscribe, like the video, what are you waiting for? And don't forget to check out all my links. The links right down here, guys. Remember, now this is financial advice. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel coffee. If you're in an area that doesn't support super chats, you can go to www.kofi.com /CryptoScott. Buy the channel coffee. Do it, guys. And don't forget to check out my merch. Get the mug, guys. Get the mug. Check out the merch. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got all sorts of stuff. Check the merch, guys. And don't forget to get the mug. We got also backpacks and all that kind of stuff. And one final thing. Don't forget to check out the wife's channel. Zen Music in the house, guys. Help the wife. Happy life. And guys, that brings this video to an end. Just want to say God bless each and every one. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah. Woo!